Hello, today we will guide you through how to change chart background color in Exness. If you want to make your chart easier to read or simply match your preferred trading setup, changing the background color in Exness is a quick adjustment. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening your trading area to selecting a new chart background color inside the Exness terminal. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading activity and access the tools connected to your account. Once the page is loaded, look for the Trade option. Click on Trade to continue. After that, select Exness Terminal. This will open the web-based trading terminal where you can view charts and manage trades directly in your browser. Give it a moment to load fully so the chart area appears clearly before moving on. Once the terminal is open and your chart is visible, right-click anywhere on the chart. This opens a settings menu with options related to the chart's appearance and behavior. Make sure you right-click directly on the chart area so the correct menu appears. From the menu, click on Canvas. This section contains visual customization settings for the chart layout, including the chart background. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to look through the menu carefully, since chart settings are typically grouped together there. Next, click on Background to change it. This is the setting that controls the color behind your chart candles, lines, or indicators. Adjusting the background can improve visibility, especially if you prefer a lighter or darker chart style for long trading sessions. After clicking the background option, select a sample background. This lets you choose the color style you want to apply to the chart. Pick the option that feels most comfortable for your viewing preferences. A high contrast background can help chart elements stand out more clearly, while a softer tone may reduce eye strain. Once selected, your chart background should update to reflect the new style. If needed, you can repeat the same process later and try a different background until you find the one that works best for you. And that's all it takes to change the chart background color in Exness. Following these steps can help you create a chart setup that is cleaner, more personalized, and easier to work with during analysis.